something going out, and it's powerful. Okay, British Airways 777 bound to Frankfurt. Okay. So she's just
close. Button.
Oh, here we go. Okay, she's rolling, guys. I can hear her. Can't hear her, but she's rolling. And then when we get to Frankfurt, we go from Lufthansa out to Bremen, and then Bremen to Frankfurt. I don't know, yeah, Frankfurt to Bremen, yeah. Okay, someone's saying British Airways 777 to New York. I don't know, is it going to New York? She's about to come behind that tankers there, guys, oil There she is, she's rolling. Oh my god, that is pretty low, man. Look, you can hear it. Wow. Look at that. She must be off to New York, surely. She's going that low. She isn't. Where's she off to?
GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 heavy contact London Center on 118.475.
ATC. One button.
Oh, here we go.
118.475 for GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 heavy. London Center GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 heavy is passing 900 feet, climbing 12,000 feet.
Ready for yeah, runway 27 left to Frankfurt. There we go, going to Frankfurt.
682 heavy London Center altimeter.
Climb phase.
Continue as planned.
After completing the initial phase of takeoff, maintain a steady rate of climb to reach cruise altitude.
So there you go, guys. She's off to Frankfurt.
Not in use.
BA
124.850. Tab.
That's from Frankfurt. Isn't
Minimize UI panel.
So when we get to Frankfurt, going to Bremen, doing a Lufthansa flight after that. And then we'll fly back on the 320 Lufthansa back to London. Probably on the 321 now, yeah. It'll be quite nice, isn't it? Right, should we do some arrivals? How about we do some arrivals, guys?